Guys, you're welcome once again to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a common template for a birthday or anything. So first of all, make sure we delete the icon that is on it, and then we'll tap on this particular feature of which I've already taught you. So when you tap there, you come and tap on shapes. After tapping on shapes, you can tap here to change any shape. I've already told you, but we are going to maintain this square shape. So we'll drag it like this. We'll drag it like this and also increase the radius to 35. Let me say I want to increase the radius to 35 and to increase the radius to 35. So after that, I'll mark and make sure you tap on copy. You copy it like uh, 2 times in addition to the one you already have. So you tap on the first one and make sure you use relative position. When you tap on relative position, use the middle ones. Make sure that everything is at the center. After that, you use your hand to drag this one close to this, and also use your hand to drag this close, and make sure the space in between them are of the same. So if you want to make sure, you tap on at this one, you don't need to use your hand, you have to use position. So when you use position, you tap here and you can decrease this one small, and then you move it out small. You can see that all of them are now the same, but we don't know whether they are all lying down at the same point. You make sure you tap on this particular icon and also tap here. When you tap here, you now make sure that you can see that everything is not in alignment. So you will have to untap here before you can continue. So you untap and you come here, move it up small, just reduce it to 1 and move it up. Just reduce it up to 1. That's the positioning. Reduce it up to 1 and move it this place to the same thing. Reduce it up to 1 and move it. You can see that everything is now in alignment. So what's the next thing? You tap here again to unclick it. After that, you make sure you make use of this feature. So after tapping on that feature, this will appear, and what you have to do is to come and tap here, the mark and the time sign. So you tap there and you mark all the 3 side shape. So marking there, what is the next thing? You tap on this particular icon of which I'm showing you with the icon. Tap there and actually you want to merge. Sure you want to make the selected objects, and you tap on OK. After tapping on OK, what's the next thing? The next thing is look for texture. You drag all the features and look for texture. After looking for texture, you tap. Sorry, let me go back so that you see. After looking for texture, tap here. After tapping there, you now scroll to the picture you want to use. So I would like to use this feature. Mark it, send it there. As you can see, that is done. That is done. Very simple. So after all this, what is the next thing? So you make sure you come here and change the background. Come here. I told you you can change the background color by coming to this place. So you can tap on background and select any of the colors. So let's say I want to use the white. I'll mark. And then what is the next thing? I'll make sure I lock this one when I'm moving. So we are now going to add our text. Our text. You tap here. You edit. Sorry. You edit. Let's say I want to use Bernard. So sorry. Bernard graphics. So use check. We are going to change. Let's say I want to change the fonts. I don't want this font, so I'll come and tap here and change my font. I'm going to use this particular. I'm going to use this particular font. DPS Beyond. DPSD Beyond. I'm going to use that particular font. I'll press on OK. You can see that it's very small, light. If I want it to be bold, you just come and look for style. Tap on the style and tap on the B to make things bold. After that, what is the next thing? The next thing is for me to look for relative position once again and make sure my text is in a line. So after that, you don't have to use this one. You have to use this one. You have to use this one. You tap there. That is all. Everything is just in the middle. So you're done just like that. You're done just like that. As time goes on, you get to know every secret. I'm gonna reveal every secret to you. So after this, what is the next thing? You want to save it as a project, or you want to save it to gallery? Tap on this icon, this one. So you tap there and they say save as project, save as image. If you want to save it as an image, you tap on it and you tap on this particular place here, the default place, dimensions, and move it to Ultra and tap on save to gallery. That's all. That is all. Thank you for your time.